Linda Noskova is a Czech professional tennis player who has emerged as one of the sport's most exciting young talents. She won the 2026 Wimbledon title and other titles like Berlin, also successful in doubles including an Olympic semifinal in 2024. In July 2026, Noskova achieved the ultimate milestone of her career at the Wimbledon Championships. Entering the tournament as the ninth seed, she fought her way to an all-Czech final against Karolina Muskova. In a dramatic three-sets match, Noskova converted her sixth match point to claim her first Grand Slam singles title. By 2025, Noskova expanded her success to the tour's highest echelons, making her first WTA 1000 final in Beijing. She finished the 2025 session inside the top 15, boasting the second most aces on tour behind only Elena Rybakina. Her biggest junior achievement was winning the 2021 Girls French Open title, which pushed her to number 5 in the ITF junior rankings. In the 2025, she added deep runs at major tournaments, reaching final in Tokyo, Beijing, and Paraguay, cementing her place inside the top 15. Her run to the Beijing final was her first WTA 1000 final. Most notably, she reached the career-high single ranking of world number 10 and reached the final of the 2026 Wimbledon Championships, beating Elise Mertens to reach her first major semifinal. She is known for clean, piercing ball striking, a powerful, precise two-handed backhand, along with an aggressive baseline game and a formidable serve. Her growing junior achievement came when she captured the 2021 French Open Girls Singles title, announcing herself as one of the sport's brightest future prospects.